to the Holly Jolly Follies. My name is? Y'all know me, I'm so surprised. I know all you, obviously, since you were little wee ones. I come into your homes at night, and I eat your cookies, and I open up your fridge, drink the milk. Santa does enjoy these days because the lactose stuff. If you could just think about a little more like the soy, and really oat milk is preferable, that'd be great. So I gotta tell you, out of all the towns I've been to all the towns in the world, every single town I've gone to, Haines, Alaska is my favorite place in the world. Because you know what? It's Christmas time here, 365 days a year. The way that you all have such a great sense of community, you take care of each other, you look out for each other. Here, if you lock your car, it's for bears, not human beings. You're not worried about the human beings. I do have to let you know, as I said, I love this town, so I have spent some time here. Every week before Christmas, you may not know this, but Santa actually comes and hangs out in Haines for a few days, just because I love it so much. So I have gotten to know your town, you know? I love going and grabbing a bit of fudge at Alaska Ron's. No. Nebraska Rods. Nebraska Rods, thank you. So many names, you know, I gotta remember places' names. I get mixed up a lot. Then grab a cup of coffee down at that Rusty Pelican. Love that place. Sometimes I'll do a bang bang. I'll say I've had a coffee, I'm gonna go for a hot chocolate over the Magic Market. And of course, do the shopping down there at Older Foods. Is that it? Older Foods, I'm sorry, Older Foods. And if they don't have what I'm looking for, I just go over to the other grocery store, the PGA. Gotta be careful there, golf balls flying down the aisles, everywhere. So you got a special place here, you take care of each other. We've got a lot of special local celebrities, because when you live in a small town, you do kind of become a celebrity, don't you? A little bit? Everybody knows who you are, the little name. This person can kind of feel like a celebrity in a small town, so it's not just Santa Claus. Wait, who is this right here? Brother! Stand up! Stand up, brother! My long lost brother! Oh, brother! Oh, it's been so long, you've been engaged this whole time! Oh, my. Oh, wow. We've got a great little backing band here. We finally found the drummer. Thank you so much. Really appreciate that, Maddox. Your guys' band name is?
The D Sharps.
The D Sharps. The D Sharps. They'll be playing some music here for us tonight. Look at these beautiful bells here. Everybody, please. Don't touch the bells, please. These bells are like this. We're looking at basically $250,000 on stage. This could be the scene of like a local heist. You know, we all have to be careful. Is there a police officer in the house tonight? Any police here? No? Anybody? Okay, we're on our own. All right. We're gonna start off with a little piece written by our Lex here. Lex Trinan. How do you say your last name?
Trinan.
Lex Trinan here. Works at the newspaper. Wrote a little piece. We're gonna see the first part of it. We'll see it in 3 parts. This is the opening scene to a Chilkat Valley News Christmas Carol.